Be proud to be a woman. Be the pride of our womanhood. She gave life. She is a mother. She is a sister. She is a friend and a survivor till the end. She is strong, smart, caring, giving, surviving, sensational, tolerant, and powerful. Yes, she is a woman. Myself Shifana, studying 3rd CS PG and Research Department of Computer Science. On behalf of Women's Cell to celebrate International Women's Day, I am going to tell about the history of Indian women is full of pioneers who have broken gender barriers and work hard for their rights. The following women changed the world with their enormous contribution to science, politics, technology, arts, sports, entertainment and the military, and those ensured that the future could be female. Let's celebrate the many first times that an Indian woman achieved something great. Srimati Pratibha Patel, Indian lawyer and politician who was the first woman to serve as the President of India 2007 to 2012. Sarojini Naidu, known as the Nightingale of India because of her mesmerizing poetry. India's first woman governor and also first woman president of INC, Indian National Congress. Nita Ambani, the chairman of Reliance Foundation, has been elected as the individual member of the International Olympic Committee IOC. She is the first Indian to join the world body and currently the only individual member from India. Mary Kom, 5-time woman amateur boxing champion, she is the only Indian woman boxer to have qualified for 2012 Summer Olympics. Karnam Malleshwari gave Indian woman at the Sydney Games in 2000. The legendary Indian weightlifter earned a bronze medal on September 19, 2000 to become the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal. Razia Sultana was the first woman Sultanate of India and ruled the court of Delhi, the only ever woman to do so. She defied all odds to occupy the throne, including overcoming conflicts over her gender and her slave ancestry. Sania Mirza, first Indian woman to win WTA Women's Tennis Association title by winning her hometown event, the AP Tourism Hyderabad Open, defending 9th-seeded Alona Bondarenko in the final. Major Priya Janganisan, Indian Army officer and Lady Cadet No. 1 and silver medalist from the first batch of 25 ladies officers who were commissioned in the Indian Army in 1993. Mother Teresa, India's first woman to receive Nobel Prize in 1979. Mother Teresa was the first woman to close Indian ties to get the 1979 Nobel Peace Prize. Mother Teresa was one of the great servants of humanity. She was an inspiration for people all over the world. Aradhi Shah, India's first woman to swim across the English Channel. She also became the first female sportsperson to be awarded Padma Shri in 1960. She became the first Indian sportswoman to be awarded the Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian honor in India. Fatima Bibi is a name permanently etched into Indian history, a name every judicial aspirant is familiar with. She was the first woman to be appointed a Supreme Court Justice of India. Kalpana Chawla, first Indian woman to go to the space. She was an astronaut, engineer and the first woman of Indian origin to go to the space. She first flew on Space Shuttle Columbia in 1977 as a missions pilot and primary robotic arm operator. Saina Nehwal became the India's first woman to win a medal in badminton at 2012 Olympic Games. Later in 2015, she became the first Indian woman to score number 1 position in the world ranking. Sarla Thukral was the first Indian woman to fly an aircraft. She earned an aviation pilot license in 1936 at the age of 21 and flew a gypsy mode solo. Deepa was the first Indian woman to win a medal in Paralympic Games, winning a silver in shot put at 2016 Summer Paralympic in Rio de Janeiro. She also won the gold in F53 to 54 javelin throw at the Para Athletic Grand Prix in Dubai in 2018. Dr. Kangandeep Khan has become the first Indian woman to induct as Fellow of Royal Society FRS in London, called India's Vaccine Godmother. Divya Karnath, first Indian woman to receive Future of Nature Award for Marine Conservation. Dr. Divya Karnath has become the second Indian and the first woman to receive Global Future of Nature Award for her work on marine conservation. The only other Indian to receive the award is Dr. Charudat Mirsha. Kanchan Chowdhury Bhattacharya was the first woman to become Director General of Police of the state, and also she was the second woman officer in Indian Police Service IPS in India. Arohi Pandit is an Indian pilot. In 2019, she became the world's first woman pilot and youngest pilot to cross Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean solo in light sport aircraft. Pranjal Patel, the first visually challenged woman IAS officer in the country, recently took over as Sub-Collector of Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala in October 2019. Santosh Yadav, India's first woman to climb Mount Everest twice. She is the first woman in the world to climb Mount Everest twice and the first woman to successfully climb Mount Everest from Kangshung phase. She climbed the peak in the first May 1992 and then again in May 1993 with an Indo-Nepalese team. Lieutenant Bhavana Kasturi, first female to lead the Indian Army Service Corps ASC contingent, comparing 144 male personnel. Danya Menon, India's first woman cybercrime investigator, shares her worries about the dangerous dimensional of her world. Chonira Belliyappa Muthamma was the first woman to clear the Indian Civil Service examinations. She was only the first woman to join Indian Foreign Service, the first Indian woman diplomat, later the first Indian woman ambassador. Homen Byarawala, commonly known by her pseudonym Dalda 13, was India's first woman photojournalist. She was awarded Padma Bhushan, the second highest civilian award of the Republic of India. Neetu was the first bowler for India to take 100 wickets in World ODIs. She had first entered cricket in 1992 when women were not paid to play. Nicole Estelle Faria is an Indian actress, model and the winner of Miss Earth 2010 pageant. She is the first woman who received Miss India Earth is the title given to the Indian woman who represents India at Miss Earth. Premlata Agarwal is the first Indian woman to scale the 7 summits, the 7 highest continental peak of the world. She was awarded the Padma Shri by the Government of India in 2013. India is one of the first 3 women fighter pilots. Flight Lieutenant Bhavana Kant became the first woman fighter to be a part of Indian Air Force contingent at the Republic Day Parade. Roshni Sharma, first Indian female biker to ride solo from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Priyanka N drove the inaugural train of Namma Metro, becoming the first female Indian metro pilot. India's golden girl PT Usha became the first Indian woman to reach the final of an Olympic event. Sunitha Williams holds the record of longest space flight by women. In all, she has been on 7 spacewalks. In August 2007, she also became the first woman to run a marathon in space. Srimati Indira Gandhi, India's first woman Prime Minister of India and served from 1966 to 1977. She became the first woman to receive the Bharat Ratna Award. KJ Sudeshi is the first woman RBI Deputy Governor. She has also been a co-chairman on subgroup on banking and finance, the Indo-Russian Intergovernmental Commission. Flight attendant Nirja Banath was the youngest and first female recipient of Ashok Chakra, India's highest peacetime gallantry award. Nirja, aged 23, lost her life while trying to save the lives of passengers from terrorists on board the hijacked Pan Am Flight 73 on September 5, 1986 and was conferred with the award posthumously. Madurai Shanmugavadivu Subbulakshmi was an Indian Carnatic singer from Madurai, Tamil Nadu. She was the first musician ever to be awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor. Asima Chatterjee. Asima Chatterjee, first Indian woman to be conferred the Doctorate of Science by an Indian university. Tasi and Nancy Malik, the first twin sisters to climb Mount Everest together, have now become the fastest South Asian to complete the Explorers Grand Slam. Harshini Kanhekar became the first woman in 46 years to graduate from the National Fire Service College NFSC in Nagpur and consequently became India's first woman firefighter. Tessie Thomas is the Agniputri, the first woman scientist to head a missile project in India. Tessie has a doctorate in missile guidance. Bhagyashree Thipse, first woman to win International Grand Master Chess. She won 5 times in the Indian Women's Championship and the Asian Women's Championship. Banu Adaya was an Indian costume designer who is considered India's first Oscar winner for Gandhi in 1983. Mithali Raj was the first woman to score a double hundred in Test cricket. She was the first to achieve this landmark in this world. Sarnobat became India's first pistol shooter to win a gold medal in the World Cup when she won the 25-meter pistol event in the ISSF World Cup in Changwon. Sheila Dari, country's first woman auto rickshaw driver when she first stepped into male-dominated zone. Mirabai, a great saint and poet, was the first woman depicted on Indian stamps. The stamp was released under Saint and Poet series on 1st October 1952. Air Marshal Padma Bandyopadhyay was the first woman to be promoted to the rank of Air Marshal in the Indian Air Force. Anandibai Gopalrao Joshi was the first female physician. She was also first woman in India to complete her studies in Western medicine from the United States. Arundhati Roy was the first Indian woman to win the Man Booker Prize in the year 1997. An Indian writer, Arundhati Roy was awarded England's prestigious Booker Prize this evening for her first novel, The God of Small Things.